Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to enable game sharing on PS5. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To enable game sharing on your PS5, you need to set your PS5 as the primary console for your account. Here's how. Firstly, turn on your PS5 and make sure to log into the account, whose games you want to share. Navigate to the top right of the home screen and choose to click the settings icon. Go ahead and scroll down and choose users and accounts. Under users and accounts, select other, choose console sharing and offline play. If it's not already been enabled, just select enable. This will set your PS5 as the primary console, allowing other users on this PS5 to access your games and media. And if it's set to enabled, just don't make any changes and go back. Now, if you're setting up game sharing with a friend's PS5, log into your PlayStation Network account on their PS5. Repeat the steps to enable console sharing and offline play on their console. By enabling console sharing and offline play, other users on the same PS5 can access your digital game library and play your games without needing to purchase them again. Remember that this feature is primarily for sharing within your household and should be used in accordance with Sony's terms and services. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.